Umruk Apangam, Nok Amin Babul Peku, undergraduate student at IIT Kharagpur, West Bengal. Surok video se nguluk susam opek lagapa, I rupe important na video nga. Surok video se ngo ag experience Nobudoya, what is CWE, Government State Engineering College in Assam, aru an opportunity krutam. Nguluk kapal alaisi. Nguluk apang kindag se nguluk dolung alalok education system te. Para kuduk develop mamna. Okol education system the development na tumul nahobo. We are the youth of our society, right? And I have recently realized that we have to do something about it. Look, Homasa sin, but the foreigner take what students do. So videos on Zoriote, upon foreign opium lupang koze, let's do something for our society. The look experience them lubite. So what are the different parts, opportunities? To be honest, ngulu hamoy papa mulo ZNB laga pa free coaching labidat. Aru last year ajunarum goksu gela ngulu class 5 to high secondary second year do pa coaching am mobika ataitoi bhal kobor tu ai je ngulu porainam kokanga siro nobodoi lo porila du ngulu first of all nobodoi dam pala do pa quantum trend karon nobodoi dam pa pamul paisa pati mul bojak lagi mae porinam dekka dori khela dula apun ha hobidana mulu bojengo payarak dolung kokanga dam encourage tam laga pa dolung aralopa aina information pram bombi pram lega pa sanguluk youtube video ngur sam bonai na sesta du jodi nolung luk ager sam kalik sudak mulo youtube do babul pegu amna search gela channel sam subscribe bilanka aru noluk kankin tani kremin subscribe mo bilanka the video sam last of kala dolanka last lubia state engineering lega pa ko exam nam dipadan aru kapa preparation panamaji muluk ahom amosa atiko state engineering college duji aru okokol doji kai kantelai number 1 Assam Engineering College Guwahati number 2 Jorhat Engineering College Jorhat Number 3 Jorhat Institute of Science and Technology Jorhat Number 4 Bineshwar Brahma Engineering College Kokrajhar Number 5 Borak Valley Engineering College Karimganj Number 6 Gholaghat Engineering College Gholaghat Number 7 Dhemaji Engineering College Dhemaji State Engineering College lo seat panam laga pa first of all CWE entrance examination dem qualify popada CWE the full form whole combined entrance examination so exam to tintango subject do the physics chemistry mathematics each subject carries 160 marks total marks 480 and total number of questions 120 each question carries 4 marks যদি নেতাংগো 15 পৰা 8 পামুলো 4 মার্কস को पाए যদি ভুল পামুলো और पानम 4 मार्क्स 1 नंबर को माइनस obviously no IIT level of preparation को अमुलो CWE quite easy dakko adam bila hoday ngulu daksana super 30 ko do papam na hoday sestab lage jod ne ki ngulu free for medical IIT laga pa coaching am mobida so और बुलो papam bulo no kuno mai kon bhal college papai mane तो लोग भी है ऑलरेडी यूट्यूब द वीडियो का मोला मता तो लोग बाबुल पेगु अपना सर्च केला वीडियोग्राम काला है पर मदक संपिन वीडियो करसम दोलो रगम लगा पर मोना मुलुक रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी सारा